Oh yeah. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, homeboy. Look at the goodness in there. Let's get that in our bowl. Beautiful. We can start with a little bit of rum chata. Okay, this is milky, so this should be good. Oh yeah. Now you're coming behind that with some Fireball. These two together make a shot called a Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Now let's come over with a little bit of milk, okay? To make it real cereal, homeboy. Beautiful. Now I come in with my little spoon. Now I can let this sit for 2 seconds, because what's happening is the alcohol is gonna pull that flavor out of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So while that we sitting on waiting on that, let's get our glass ready. Get a little bit of Cinnamon Toast Crunch in here. Find my muddle. Perfect. Hot caramel. This one's nice and thick and gooey. Perfect. And guys, now we come in here with our glass, and I'm just gonna do a little roll around the top. Then I come over here and I do a little dip. Bang. Bang. How do I know if it's ready, guys? That is damn good, okay? That is how I want my morning cereal, okay? Okay, guys, let's get this goodness out of here. Beautiful. Give this a nice little shaking. Oh God, this smell is hypnotic, not the drink. It's hypnotizing. Check this out, guys. Couple speckles, and you just break it up on top, you know what I mean? And this delicacy, Bill Gates, y'all got the money, but y'all ain't got the class. This class. And there you have it, homeboy. Cereal milk shots, delicious, fun, tangy, for the man who has everything, okay? Or you could just have a large container like this, okay? Because this is pretty damn good. I like it this way more than that way, I'm not gonna lie. This really tastes good. Because why not let's just open a bar, right? That serves brunch, but all our brunch infused with alcohol. I do sound a little bit, you know, a lot's going on. Dude, these two together? God created this union, trust me. Drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. Stay tipsy, brothers.